Assalamualaikum. Uh, we are from Group 12. We're going to present about sports complex for our group project.
So our team consists of 5 members, which is me, Nur Fakir Razi, then Muhammad Hakim, Muhammad Hamid Hakim, Muhammad Amirul, Muhammad Izzat Firdaus, and Nur Ashikin.
Here the introduction. Uh, First thing first, my name is Muhammad Izzat Firdaus bin Roslan, and I will talk about the introduction. First, year-round accessibility. Sport complex offer the equipment ensuring year-round physical activity. Indoor-outdoor space accommodate play in various weather conditions. Secondly, the outdoor facility features like court lines, netting, and flat surface for diverse sports. Furthermore, shield players from adverse weather conditions for some locations strategically for extreme heat. And third point for the introduction is community benefits. Presence of indoor or outdoor sport facility help navigate the unfavorable weather. And the fourth, indoors facilities highlights facilities housed within in a gymnasium support learning program. Features include the standard swimming pools, locker rooms, showers, drying rooms, teaching station, rooms, corridor, office, and research place. Health and health and community cohesion. It acts as a catalyst community cohesion, bringing people together through the shared activities. And the introduction that for the introduction, we do the education and training space. Uh, Facilities designed for physical education in schools and athlete training. School sports facility often serve due purpose aligning with educational and training needs. And lastly, the outdoor facilities overview. Encompass fields, courts, and arenas for various sports such as track and field athletics like football, basketball, handball, hockey, badminton, tennis, and volleyball. So the main objective or the goals of our projects include the enhancing facility for the general public athletes, contributing to the economic growth of the country, fostering the development of more athletes, and lastly, promoting overall health and well-being among the populace.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Berasdan and my matric number is CN210069. And I will present to Doctor about the chapter 2 which is the methodology of this project, which is the sport complex. One of the main analytical frameworks for evaluating public spending decision is cost-benefit analysis, or CBA. We have used the cost-benefit analysis procedure in the construction of the park. We have gone through 8 steps. Okay, the first step is to determine the project goal and objective. The project goal and objective show us what it will accomplish when it is finished. The second one is list down different frameworks. We may get a better idea of whether a project is appropriate for the current project by comparing it to another project and examining it from various angles. The step 3 is to recognize and plan the benefits and costs. Make a note of all the advantage and disadvantage and consider it carefully. This will cover things like the cost of money, labor improvement, and upkeep. Okay, a correct estimate of or evaluation of the entire cost must be provided for the ongoing or upcoming project. The step 4 is to identify project stakeholders. Project managers, sponsor, team members, and other individuals or groups with an interest in or impact on the initiative are considered stakeholders. Apart from that, the abilities need for each stage of the project development must be determined. Okay, I will continue with the next step. The next step is to keep track on measurement metrics. Make a tab with a comprehensive list of all measurement parameters such as playback time, discount rate, internal rate of return or IRR, return on investment, and others. The next step is the common currency. All costs and benefits are converted into a common currency to ease the analysis process. The second last of the flow is the calculation of net present value or NPV. Determine the profit from the present value of the cash flow over a given period of time. It will help with the project profit analysis. The last one is to performing sensitivity analysis. Get a true comprehension of previous mentioned variables. Assess the caliber of the prior analysis and identify any areas that require improvement. Compare the options to determine the extent of each. Next, to take into account every fact of suggest project such as the possible expenses and long-term issue. That's all from me, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now, I will present for chapter 3, which is result and analysis. For chapter 3.1 is result and analysis, projects benefits. So this project, on this slide, the first project's benefits from the sport complex is strengthen the country's economy by boosting national economy through infrastructural development, local business growth, tourism, and hospitality. Hosting sports events attract diverse visitors, increasing demand for accommodation, dining, and entertainment. Next is benefits local business such as cafes and retail stores, enhancing the overall economy. And lastly is simultaneous construction and operation lead to upgrades in utilities and transportation systems, fostering urban development. For the second benefit is facilities for athletes. The description is modern training facilities with cutting-edge technology for diverse sports. This sports complex also dedicate area for sport-specific training, sports medicine, rehabilitation, and strength conditioning. Then, it is also well-maintained playing field, court, and track for skill development and competition readiness. Lastly, it takes the art of performance analysis and sports science maths to enhance training methods. This will help increasing athletes' performance. when they use our sport complex. Now, I will present about this project disbenefit. The first disbenefit is this project is high maintenance. Means maintenance need to be done because we need to sustain all the equipment and all the functionality. Maintenance is crucial for a long-term functionality of sports complexes. It is need regular inspection and repair for playing field, courts and track to meet safety standards. These safety standards need to be followed to ensure the safety of the athletes and the users. Special equipment requires frequent servicing and replacement for functionality and athlete safety. And lastly, as aesthetic features like architectural elements and landscaping contributes to customer satisfaction. Second, this benefit of this sport complex is vandalism. Vandalism poses a significant challenge for sport complexes. This physical damage to equipment, dining areas, and playing field undermines overall integrity. Repairing vandalized property diverts funds from community programs and facility upgrades. Then it will give a negative impact on the complex's reputation and potentially discouraging visitors. That's all for this project benefit. We're going to move on to the next slide. Now, I will proceed with the project cost. Basically, this sports complex have three courts, which is badminton court, basketball court, and futsal court. Basketball and futsal court we have each of them, and badminton court we have four. So the total cost for basketball court is 40,000, badminton court is 105,000, futsal court is 30,000. And then for air conditioning is 28,000, fan 5,000, spotlight will have 4,500, light will be 3,000, parking space will be 25,000, dustbin will be 500, locker will be 8,125, signboard will take 1,500. So total cost is 250,625. Sorry, 250,635 ringgit. Now, for construction costs, basically, this tree court will have roughly an average of from 22,000 to 29,000 ringgit. The main difference is on the equipment and the heavy machines rent per day. So as we can see for basketball court it will the total cost is 22,800 ringgit. For futsal court is 23,550 ringgit. For badminton court is 28,700 ringgit. Then the construction cost for parking space is 31,135 ringgit. So now is for installation cost. Installation cost is basically a cost to install all the utilities. So the total installation cost is 37,250 ringgit to install all the utilities such as air conditioning, fan, spotlight, shade tree and signboard. So lastly is total project cost. So for the investment is 250,635 ringgit. For the cost operation cost is 133,550 ringgit. So this is all the total project cost to build a sport complex. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, today I would like to present about cost analysis, which is I go first with net present value, NPC. NPC equal to 135,680 minus 133,550 minus 6500 minus 250,625.
equal to negative 254,995. So next, I will explain about return on investment, ROI, equal to 135,680 minus 133,550 minus 655 per 250,625 divide by 100, so equal to 212,997.41. So third, I will explain about payback period, which is payback period equal to 250,625 per 135,980 minus 133,500 minus 6,500 equal to negative RM 57.35.
In our analysis, a positive ROI indicates the project's ability to generate returns, with a higher percentage suggesting better profitability. The payback periods help gauge the project risk and liquidity, with a shorter period is generally favorable, reflecting quicker returns. The negative NPV indicates that the project may not cover the initial investment and operational costs over its lifetime, raising concerns about its long-term financial viability. For our project recommendation, which is three, the first one is community engagement. Community engagement means engaging the community throughout the planning and construction phases is crucial. This involvement ensures that the complex align with the community's needs and preferences. The second one is sustainable design. To promote environmental responsibility, adopting sustainable design practices is essential. This may involve incorporating green building technologies, using eco-friendly materials, and implementing energy efficiency solutions. The third one is ongoing partnership for facility management. Establishing partnerships with local organizations, sports clubs, and educational institutions can contribute to long-term success of the sports complex.
For the conclusion, for our group projects, first, community development significance. Maintenance schedule execution ensures a reliable and safe hub for diverse activities. Secondly, communal uh, ga- communal gathering space. Activities span various sports and recreational pursuits, enhancing community bonds. Thirdly, government commitment to community wishes reflects a commitment to creating a facility resonating with community values. Fourth, public asset for quality of life. Provide opportunities for physical activities, fostering a healthier lifestyle. Okay, the fifth conclusion, prioritizing quality and safety. Stringent standards safeguards user and contribute to long-term viability. Six, responsive to community needs means that ongoing dialogue and adaptation ensure alignment with evolving preferences. Seven, timely issue resolution. Timely resolution prevent to disruption, ensuring to continuous enjoyment of the sports complex. Lastly, security measurement implementation uploads the integrity of the facility, ensure a safe and secure environment. That's all.